All right, we'll start with our happy birthday example here. So for I in range 100, let's print the words happy birthday. And then I run this. And lo and behold, 100 happy birthdays. So this would be very tough and time consuming to do this 100 times if I had to copy and paste that code. All right, another simple example. So for I in range 5, let's just print the values of I so we can see that live. When I run this, you'll see that I does start with 0 and works its way up to 4, but it completes 5 full cycles, which is the number in the range. We can also do this with a variable. So in this case, I'm going to set the variable total equal to 5. Then write for I in range total. And again, let's print I and see if we get something similar. Yep, so we get the same output as before, using total as the variable in range, which is, in general, going to be a very easy way to control how many times our for loop repeats. Now we can also do math in this print statement. So in this case, I added 2 to I, and printed that out. And I can even do a calculation with a variable in my for loop. So let's say even numbers is equal to I times 2. And then let's print the value of even numbers. And we'll see what we get. Great. So we get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the even number calculation of I times 2. So there's a lot we can do with I, both in printing it and math inside of the for loop, which can be very powerful.